When you close your eyes, your body gets to work. It begins a silent, secret process. This is something no doctor or pill could ever truly replicate. The world outside grows quiet. The day's noise fades into a gentle hum. A stillness settles over everything. But inside you, a magnificent operation is just beginning. It is a journey into the deepest parts of your being. This is the body's own form of magic, a nightly ritual of renewal that happens without a single conscious thought from you. The curtains of the day are drawn, and the stage is set for an incredible performance of life itself. Imagine, if you will, the moment this shift occurs. It is as if a master conductor has tapped their baton. The frantic pace of the day's orchestra gives way to a slow, deliberate adagio. The lights dim, not to darkness, but to a soft internal glow. Your organs, the tireless performers of your waking hours, now radiate a gentle, dreamlike luminescence. Picture your heart, your lungs, your liver, each one pulsing with a calm, steady light. They are not shutting down for the night. Instead, they are entering a different state of being. Maintenance, cleaning, healing. This internal world operates with a wisdom that is ancient and profound. It is a hidden factory, staffed by a crew that knows its tasks intimately. They do not need instructions. They do not need supervision. They simply know what must be done. Every cell, every pathway, every tiny component of your physical self understands its role in this grand nightly restoration project. The body, in its infinite complexity, orchestrates this dance of healing with a grace and precision that is truly breathtaking. As you drift deeper into slumber, this inner world becomes a landscape of soft light and slow, purposeful movement. The usual rush of blood and nerve signals softens to a gentle current. It is a time for sorting, for mending, for balancing the complex chemistry that keeps you alive and well. Your only job is to rest, to surrender to the pull of sleep. In doing so, you grant your body the precious, uninterrupted time it needs to perform these miracles. You are letting the most skilled team of healers in the world go to work, and their only payment is your peace. The first order of business on this night shift is repair. Think of the day you just lived. Every step you took, every object you lifted, every moment of stress or exertion created microscopic tears in your muscles and tissues. Now, in the quiet of 3 a.m., the construction crews arrive. Specialized cells, like tiny dedicated workers, travel through your bloodstream to these sites of minor damage. They are drawn to the places that need them most, guided by signals your conscious mind could never perceive. They arrive with the raw materials needed for rebuilding, ready to begin their meticulous work. This is not a chaotic process. It is a delicate and ordered reconstruction. These cellular masons patch up the tiny fissures in your muscle fibers, making them stronger than they were before. They mend the small strains in your ligaments and tendons, reinforcing the very framework of your body. If you have a cut or a bruise, this is when the healing truly accelerates. Blood flow is redirected, carrying nutrients and oxygen to fuel the repair. The inflammation from the day begins to subside, replaced by a calm, focused effort of renewal. It's a slow, steady restoration that prepares you for the demands of a new day. This healing touch extends to every corner of your body. Your skin, the barrier that protects you from the outside world, undergoes its own rejuvenation. Old, tired cells are shed and replaced with fresh, new ones, a process that helps maintain its elasticity and strength. Even your bones benefit from this period of rest, as minerals are deposited and the internal structure is subtly reinforced. Every organ, from your powerful heart to your diligent kidneys, uses this downtime to repair any wear and tear, ensuring they can function at their peak when you awaken. The body is a self-mending marvel, and the night is its workshop.